Why did Google, Meta, and Unity quietly buy into the same measurement startup right now? This video is about AppsFlyer's $1 billion Series E at a $2.7 billion valuation, and why ad giants took minority stakes. The point: neutrality in measurement is becoming the most valuable seat in advertising, and this round shows where power is moving next. Tracking got broken by privacy laws and Apple's app tracking transparency. When platforms can't see the full path, the company that credibly measures outcomes decides where budgets go and whose numbers legal and finance will sign off on at scale globally. AppsFlyer is an Israel-based mobile measurement partner, a third party that attributes installs and sales across apps using SDKs and APIs, without sharing raw user data. Axios also says it raised $1 billion, with Moloko, Google, Meta, and Unity buying small stakes. That mix signals alignment plus liquidity. Post-ATT, attribution relies on SKAd network, Apple's anonymized postbacks, Android's privacy sandbox, and clean rooms, secure enclaves to match data without exposing identities, plus stricter fingerprinting bans across ecosystems. AppsFlyer invests in modeled conversions and incrementality testing, translating noisy, delayed, sparse signals into budget decisions marketers can trust. If the networks own delivery, AppsFlyer owns credibility with audit trails. When Google and Meta co-invest in the same referee, they're signaling they need a trusted layer. Customers believe more than the platform's self-attributed numbers because buyers don't want platforms grading their own homework. That reshapes sales cycles. Brands standardize on one measurement schema, then push networks to integrate to it with audits and SLAs, service-level guarantees, baked in. Smaller ad tech without deep privacy infrastructure gets squeezed. Creative and bidding matter, but without accepted attribution, you're not even in the plan. Here's the shift. Power is migrating from buying media to proving it worked, and from identifiers to aggregates. Capital is clustering around independent measurement because regulators, DMA, CPRA, and platforms can fight over data, but CFOs and auditors still demand a single source of truth. Expect deeper native integrations, AppsFlyer pilots, privacy, sandbox attribution with Google, server-side conversions with Meta, and Unity SDK bundles for game studios worldwide. Watch for standardized incrementality reporting becoming a procurement checkbox for major app advertisers, plus MMM connectors, statistical budget models, plugging into the same dashboard. A de facto measurement standard emerges across mobile, retail media, and connected TV, anchored by cleanroom interoperability and a shared audit trail. Budgets shift toward partners that optimize against that standard, compressing margins for networks that can't prove lift beyond last click as procurement bakes it. If you want the next market shift before it becomes consensus, subscribe to Future Signals and watch the next breakdown.